Hi, and welcome to this tutorial about the basics of using article databases from EBSCO. Most of the College of the Siskiyous Library's article databases are from a company called EBSCO, so many of their basic functions look and work the same. Using the search box on the opening screen, type in the keywords for your topic. Keep in mind that databases operate using keyword searching, which is different from how most of us search the internet. For this example, my topic is whether physical activity makes people happier, so I'll use the keywords physical activity happiness. If it helps, you can put each idea in a separate search box. EBSCO allows you to search more than one database at a time. To do this, click on the database name above the search box to get the Select Databases to Search menu. Then click the boxes next to the databases that are appropriate for your topic. Academic Search Complete is a great database for college research assignments. It covers a wide variety of topics and has a lot of scholarly and peer-reviewed content. There are many subject databases to choose from as well. In general, it is not a good strategy to use the Select All option. When you're done, click the Select button. Filters help limit your search results to the types of articles you want to see. The full text limiter makes sure that everything in your search results has the full article available for you to read. It should be on by default. Depending on your assignment, you may also want to limit your results to peer-reviewed journals or by publication date. When limiting by date, you can use a preset range, such as past 5 years, or you can enter dates for a custom range. Click the Search button to run the search. At the top of the search results screen, you can see your keywords as well as access all the filters, so you can easily make adjustments to your search. Popular filters such as full text and peer-reviewed have buttons under the search box, while the All Filters button opens a pop-up box with more options. Also under the search box is EBSCO's AI-assisted search button, which attempts to build on your initial keywords and improve your search results. Each article in the results list starts by noting whether the article is from a peer-reviewed journal, which is then followed by the article title, authors, and where and when it was published. Next comes the start of an article summary, which is often referred to as the abstract. To read the whole abstract, click on the Show More link. Below the abstract are a list of subject terms, which are words and phrases that the database uses over and over again to describe articles on the same topic, so they often make good keywords for searching. Changing your keywords in the search box will change the articles in your results list. You can either open the article to read it by clicking the Access Options button, or you can click on the title to go to the article details screen. This is where you can review the article information and see the article's Digital Object Identifier, or DOI, which is required for some citations. The article details screen also has the Access Options button. Some articles will only have one access option, while others may offer 2 options for reading the article. They are PDF and Online Full Text. PDF will show the article as it appeared in print, including all illustrations such as tables, maps, and diagrams. Online full text will also let you read the entire article. Which option you choose is a matter of personal preference. The PDF version will show all illustrations and will print better if you want a paper copy. Online full text may not always have the illustrations, but it is apt to load faster for slow internet connections. It has a translate option, and it sometimes has a table of contents for easier navigation. While both options have a built-in audio reader, the online full-text option will most likely work better, and you may find it is more compatible if you use a screen reader. The icons in the toolbar at the top right allow you to save, cite, share, translate, or listen to the article. The Accessibility Support icon allows students with disabilities to request a remediated version of the article. To use the citation tool, click on the quotation marks icon. Then use the drop-down menu to choose the citation style you want, such as APA or MLA. Click the Copy to Clipboard link, then click Close. Now you can paste the citation into a document. Please keep in mind that these database citations are computer-generated and therefore are not always perfect, so don't forget to check it for accuracy. To save an article for later, go to the article details screen and click the Download button, or click the Share icon to upload it to Google Drive or OneDrive. The Share icon also allows you to save a link back to the article by clicking on Create Link, or you can email it to yourself using your COS email address or your personal email. Alternatively, you can also copy the URL in the address bar to save a link back to the article. Use whatever method works best for you to stay organized. Returning to the results screen, let's look briefly at the options available at the top of the screen. There you can click on the New Search link to clear all the search boxes and filters so that you can start over. The Siskiyous Library Links makes contacting us and getting to our research help page super easy. The research help page has video tutorials and handouts on how to use our databases and other research topics. Clicking on the My EBSCO button in the upper right corner will allow you to access your recent search history. Click on Recent Activity and then on the keywords for the search you wish to rerun, and you'll be able to see your results from previous searches again. Creating an EBSCO account allows you to save articles for later, which can be handy for research projects. Creating an EBSCO account is optional. If you have any questions about using our EBSCO article databases, don't hesitate to contact the library. Library staff really enjoy doing research, so we encourage you to stop by, call, or email us. We're always happy to help. Our open hours are listed on our website, which is www.siskiyous.edu/library. You can call or text us at 530-938-5331 or email us at library@siskiyous.edu. Happy researching!